Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Think about that for a second. When it comes to personal finances, have you ever wondered how you're really doing? Are your savings, spending, and overall financial health on par with others? Welcome to Inc. and Income, where we help you make today's decisions count for tomorrow's income. Because as we say, Inc. today, income tomorrow. Today, we'll dive deep into some fascinating financial statistics, revealing what the average person's finances look like. From retirement savings and debt levels to monthly spending and income, these figures reveal surprising insights. As we go along, you'll have the chance to see where you stand and maybe even pick up a few ideas to strengthen your financial strategy. So let's jump in and see where you land on the financial spectrum. Let's kick things off with a look at retirement savings. For many, this is one of the most important yet challenging financial goals. The average person in their 60s has saved about $200,000 for retirement. While that might sound like a decent sum, financial experts actually recommend having around 5 to 10 times your yearly salary saved to retire comfortably. That means if your annual salary is $50,000, you might want between $250,000 to $500,000 stashed away. It's a high bar, but if you start early and contribute regularly, even small amounts can really add up. So, whether you're close to retirement age or just getting started, keep an eye on this goal and work towards it. Next up, let's talk about income. It's no secret that annual income varies widely depending on things like education, career choice, and location. But looking at the national median can be a helpful benchmark. The median annual income in the U.S. is around $50,000. This means that half of all earners make more than this amount, while the other half make less. Income alone doesn't paint a complete financial picture, of course, but knowing where you stand in comparison to the national median can help you understand your earning power and set income goals. Remember, it's not just about the number, it's about how effectively you can manage and grow your income over time. Let's talk about monthly spending. The average American household spends roughly $3,500 to $4,000 each month. This covers essentials like housing, food, transportation, and healthcare. But with so many expenses competing for our income, budgeting becomes critical. If you're spending close to or above your income each month, it may be time to adjust spending or find ways to save. On the other hand, those who spend below their means can save and invest more aggressively. How close are you to the average monthly spending, and could adjusting it help you save more? Now, onto emergency savings. Life throws unexpected expenses our way: a car repair, a medical bill, or a last-minute travel cost. Ideally, you'd have 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved up as a cushion. However, studies reveal that only about 40% of Americans have $1,000 or more set aside for emergencies. This can leave people vulnerable when surprises hit. Building an emergency fund takes discipline, but even setting aside a small amount each month can make a big difference. Think about it. Could you cover an emergency expense, or would you need to rely on credit? Investing can be a key to financial growth, yet fewer than half of Americans are actively invested in the stock market. Many people prefer real estate or other assets, while some are hesitant to invest at all. While saving is important, investing allows your money to grow over time, helping you build wealth and stay ahead of inflation. A diverse portfolio is often recommended, combining stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets. The important thing is to start somewhere, even if it's just small contributions each month. What about you? Are you invested for the long term? Student loans have become a major financial burden for many Americans, especially younger generations. The average student loan debt is around $30,000. While education is a powerful investment, paying back loans can take years and may impact other financial goals like buying a home or saving for retirement. Managing student loan debt wisely, such as refinancing or paying extra when possible, can shorten repayment time and reduce interest costs. So, if you have student loans, think about ways to tackle them effectively without letting them control your financial future. These financial statistics may surprise you, but they're just benchmarks. The real goal is to focus on your own financial journey. Set specific goals, whether it's saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or reducing debt, and keep track of your progress. Remember, personal finance is unique to everyone, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. So take these averages as a guide, but create a plan that suits your life. What's one financial goal you're working towards, and what small step could you take today to get closer to it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and insights.